So, good afternoon and welcome back to another exciting video of Class 4 Computer. And we are learning our ongoing lesson, and the name of the lesson is Formatting Text in OpenOffice Writer. Okay, so what we have learned, or what are the things that we are going to learn, okay, that we have seen actually. So we have seen, we will be learning about find and replace word, how to create bullet and numbers, how to align text in a document, how to apply formatting in your paragraph, how to check grammar, spelling, synonyms, antonyms, undo and redo changes, line spacing, paragraph increase or decrease indentation we have seen. Okay, so we have seen a number of points of that. We have seen find and replace tool, okay, in which how to replace one word or a number of words. Then to make your presentation or to make your file better, how to apply bullets and numbering, that also we have learned. Okay, so bullets and numbering will make your page appear in the form of list or in the form of points that we have already learned. So this is the example of a bulleted list. This is the example of a numbered list. Okay. Then this is the examples of alignment. So to align your text in the center, which shortcut key we can use, beta? Who will tell me? कौन बताएगा? Yes, control plus E is used for control, plus E is used for the center alignment, control plus R for the right alignment, control plus L for a left alignment, and control plus J for justify alignment. Now, what is this alignment means? Alignment means how your text will appear. आपका टेक्स्ट किस प्रकार से दिखेगा, आपका टेक्स्ट किस प्रकार से आपके वेब पेज में appear होगा. For that we can use this alignment. So these are the examples of alignment. First one is a left alignment, second one is a center alignment, third one is a right, and fourth one is justified one. Then we have learnt about format paintbrush also. Yesterday only I told you, मैंने कल ही बताया था कि अगर yes बेटा. Yes, beta. In justified alignment, your text will be arranged in a way that it will start with the line and it will end with the line. मतलब दोनों लाइन का पूरा जो भी स्पेस है वो क्लियर भरा हुआ जाता है. मतलब बीच में वर्ड्स के बीच में गैप ज्यादा दिया जाएगा मगर लाइन पूरी की जाएगी. सो हियर वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट फॉन्ट फॉर्मेट पेंट ब्रश ऑप्शन. ओके, सो इन दिस ऑप्शन आपको किसी एक प्रकार की फॉर्मेटिंग अगर मल्टीपल लाइंस को अप्लाई करनी हो, so for that we can use this format paintbrush option. So yesterday also we have discussed that this fox text word is there, fox fox, and that is bold and red in color. And if you want to apply the same formatting to other text also, what we are going to do, we are going to select that word, then click on the format paintbrush option, and then select the lines that you want to apply that particular formatting, and the same formatting will be applied to other part of your paragraph. Okay, that we have already learned. Then making changes in a document, which is called editing, that also we have seen. So yesterday we were discussing about some synonyms and antonyms. Okay, synonyms means what? Synonyms means समानार्थी शब्द. समान अर्थ वाले एक ही शब्द के अलग अलग अर्थ हो सकते हैं. So when you have the same words with the same meaning, those are called synonyms. Okay, and the word with the opposite meaning, those are called antonyms. Okay, so when you type something, that time a red underline will appear. So here you can see a red underline is appeared. Okay, so that red underline shows that you have a spelling mistake. मतलब अगर आपने स्पेलिंग गलत किया है, so that time this red underline will appear. And if you have done something wrong in form of a grammar, that time green underline will appear. Now thesaurus also, yesterday we have seen thesaurus. Okay, so thesaurus is a list of synonyms. मतलब क्या होते हैं उसमें समानार्थी शब्द और उसमें विरुद्धार्थी शब्द, that is antonyms will be there. Okay, and which help to create your documents, okay, with good vocabulary. Means you can use alternate word, or you can use a words which has a good meaning. Those words you can use in your file. Okay, then we have learned how to apply that thesaurus, and for that a shortcut is also there, that is a F7 shortcut keys. Okay, F7 is a function key. So how many function keys are there on our keyboard? Who will tell us? How much, beta? Yes. So how many is 12 function keys are there from F1 to F12. 12 function keys are there. Okay. So if you press F7 key, automatically your thesaurus will start working. Okay. Then we have seen some undo and redo command also. If you want to redone whatever you have done at last, मतलब आपको पिछला जो आपने किया है वो उसे वापस लेना है या फिर मिटाना है, so that time you can use this undo command. Okay, and redo means if you want to reverse something, okay, reverse your last action, that time you can use redo command. And then we have seen some paragraph option, that is a line option. If you want to keep space between the lines, मतलब जो लाइन आप लिख रहे हो ऊपर वाली लाइन और नीचे वाली लाइन में आपको अगर स्पेस रखना है, so for that line you can use a line spacing option. Okay, so for that what we are going to do, you are going to select your complete paragraph, and then we have some keyboard shortcut also like control and then press 1. So one line space will be added to your file, then control plus 2, then 2 line space will be added to your paragraph, control plus 5, then 1.5 line spacing will be added to your paragraph. Then we have seen indentation. Now indentation मतलब क्या, आपका टेक्स्ट, ओके, उसका राइट या लेफ्ट मार्जिन से उसको कितना डिस्टेंस से शुरू करना है। लाइक इन आवर नोटबुक, हम हमारे नोटबुक में क्या करते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड से पैराग्राफ में लिखना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। ओके, सो दैट लेफ्ट साइड से लिखने वाला जो डिस्टेंस हम हमारा पहला वर्ड लिखने से पहले जो बाकी छोड़ देते हैं, दैट इज नथिंग बट द इंडेंशन, एंड वी कैन इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज दैट इंडेंशन। ओके, सो टू डिक्रीज द इंडेंट हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल मूव यूर टेक्स्ट टुवर्ड द लेफ्ट साइड, ऑटोमेटिकली वो डिक्रीज हो जाएगा, एंड इफ यू विल मूव टेक्स्ट टुवर्ड द राइट साइड, इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली दैट इंडेंशन और दैट पैराग्राफ स्पेस विल increase. Now here is one paragraph. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write as shown in figure. Okay, so आपको जैसे दिख रहा है इसी तरह से एक बनाना है, so this will be sent to you via WhatsApp. Okay, so you can have the same, और आपको क्या करना है, सेम फॉर्मेटिंग अप्लाई करनी है आपके कंप्यूटर के अंदर में, या फिर यू कैन यूज कैनवा ऐप आल्सो, एंड देयर यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द सेम, आपको ये सेम बनाना है आपके फोन से या फिर आपके कंप्यूटर से। ओके, so this is what we have learned, and now everyone has to get ready because I will be assigning you a class test, and you have to solve the class test within an hour। आपको एक घंटे के भीतर एक क्लास टेस्ट सॉल्व करनी है बेटा, so all are ready for that? ऑन बोथ द लेसन बेटा, ऑन बोथ द लेसन, फर्स्ट और सेकंड लेसन के ऊपर अभी के अभी आपको एक टेक्स्ट असाइन होगा। ओके, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू सॉल्व टिल 5 o'clock। आज आज शाम 5 बजने तक आपको टेस्ट कंप्लीट करके सबमिट करना है। यस बेटा, नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा, यू कैन शेयर